Okay, what is going on, guys? We are back. Another video. I know it's been a minute, but I got some stuff to do. I got my monthly Tacpack box that I get every month. Start doing the unboxings of these, show all the random shit that I get. But anyway, first thing in this box looks like it's a fast. It's a foam shooting block for supporting your rifles, pistols, etc. for zeroing. Really nice. I'll definitely be putting this in the range bag. I have a Caldwell like sandbag basically, but that'll be nice. Next thing looks like we got a oh shit. Looks like we have a it's from Cross Machine and Tool. It's a combat recoil compensator for 5.56. What is this? Not for suppressor use. Sick. So yeah, I'll be putting this on the 5.56 AR. At least in the meantime until I get a can, because that's definitely on the list. So next we have from Battle Arms is a clear dust cover. Interesting. Probably never use it. I'll put it in the drawer shit. Because why not? I always do that now. Next thing is a Birchwood and Casey gun and reel silicone cloth. Looks like it's just a it just leaves like a film over stuff whenever you wipe it down with it. Pretty cool. Once again, I might use it. I don't know. I'll put it with all my gun cleaning stuff. Like next thing we have are some reactive targets, which are always nice for zeroing and that kind of stuff. I'll definitely be using these. Got a range day coming up. I got to zero in the 308 and my pistols. So that'll make for a good target. Looks like we got a from Hollow Point Coffee Company. You can get bullet valve stem caps. Probably won't do that, but pretty cool nonetheless. Looks like they're free with purchase of a bag of coffee. You got to read those. Next thing, so the big item in the box for this month, January of 23, is the first one of the year. We have a Primary Arms micro red dot with a removable base. Pretty nice. Now, I do have a Leupold RDS on my 22 AR pistol. I know. Why would I put a Leupold on a 22? Honestly, I had one laying around. I don't like it. It's very like scope-ish, not an actual red dot. This thing will fit very nicely on there. Pretty nice little micro dot. No complaints there with that. And it looks like we have it's from Aeronaut. It's like a optics riser. Their little optics riser. Which is nice. Definitely be using that with the Primary Arms. Red dot. Really nice. And then my favorite part of the whole box are the stickers. We have Optimus Prime with his little M4 all kitted out. Pretty sick little sticker. It's my favorite part of the whole box. And then you just have your little uh thing of what's in it. But yeah. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be trying to do these every month once I get the boxes in and showing you guys what I get. But it's worth it. You know, the value that you get of stuff is usually significantly more than how much it costs. I do have the plus edition, so it's more, but it's like worth it in my opinion. You just get a bunch of random shit. But hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna be trying to upload more and bring you guys more content. If you guys haven't already, click the subscribe button. Also click the link in the description below for my stream. I'm trying to stream 2 or 3 times a week, but works crazy. So it is what it is. You guys haven't already, also subscribe to the Misfit Syndicate channel. It's also down below. That's the car channel that I do with a homie. And we're going to be starting to pump out more content as the weather starts to get better here. But hope you guys enjoyed. Talk to y'all later. Goodbye.